Dual brush. Pick up the monomers, smaller beads. Let's do a green first. Lay one first. It's still really wet, and when it's set and it's not too wet, then I'm going to use the body of the brush and kind of flatten it out. And then I'm gonna go in, pick another one, pick another bead, the same size the beads I have first. Using the body of my brush. Pick up another one, another bead. And I pick up another one because the other one is still not dry yet. I'm going to that one. You can turn the client's hands if you need to. Sometimes I just turn the hand the way I want it. And I can make the other ones lay like overlap on the others, I mean the petals. Using the tips and the body of it. Pick another one. This time I do it smaller beads. In the green, just drop right in the center. Make a little swirl right in the middle. And I can blend this one right here, just right along with the last petal I just create, and sew it in. Pick one small bead if you want to get a couple petals right here to make it look natural instead of just had a plain powders. Just drop right here because it's wet, so I'm gonna drop like a couple of them first. Using a body of brush and a tip of the brush. Body of brush, and then just like flatten them out and use the tip of the brush to draw right in the center of the leaf. And then you're using a tip and draw it. This one the same. This one is like wet and it's ready for me. Pick a last one. You can do how many leaves and petals and layer it if you want. Really, it's up to you and your clients. That's it. See, that's how easy, simple it is. Okay, move on to the next one. Let me move this. Let me move the green. The same thing when I create any other. So if you do yellows, you're gonna pick the same thing. Pick the white one. Now we're going to the pink. Same. Pick the beads. If you want the petal to be the same, you pick the same size of your beads. Okay, a little bit wet. And using the body, you can see that I'm laying it flat. Go into the next bead. Hey Brad, how are you? Using the tip of it. Second bead and making second petal. Hey Brad. Hey, thanks Siri. Brad, can you share on Facebook? And add your code in. Just share it for me and add your code in. Going to do it. I'm using the tips of my brush and the body. You only using body when it's getting dry, like setting, I mean, not dry. Even wet, make sure your brush is like dry, so you don't get an over saturate your powder. I freaking love this brush because it's just so easy to create like 3D. So I'm gonna drop like a smaller beads. When it's still wet, but it's not too wet, but not too dry. I'm gonna give it a little bit swirl right in the middle and blend it with the last petals and give it a little swirl right there. Do another beads, smaller one, one side. Too dry, then don't worry about it, pick the different one. I'll do 3 beads at the same time. If you're at home, you feel they try 3 beads like this because it's still wet and too hot for you, then do 1 at a time only. And let one set first. When a little bit set, I'm gonna using a tip and draw . Using a tip, I love this brush because they are perfect like using a tip of the brush. Using just a little dot right there. You want a little dot here. You don't want to, you don't have to. Great. Just have a green one. I just picked just tiny. There. That's it. It's really simple. You just like practice the way I share with you. It will help.